To my little demo here on how to submit your homework to Schoology. And you're going to have the Adobe Scan app on your phone and also the Schoology app on your phone. So I'm ready to start here, and I'm going to pretend these old notes of mine are the homework, but yours would look different than this, obviously. So I'm going to open up Adobe Scan, and then you'll get this little button here that allows you to take a photograph of your first page. And what will happen here is you'll get these kind of blue borders around the page, and you want to make sure they're properly aligned so that you're actually sending that part instead of part of your table or your thumb or something. Now, if you have to adjust, you just pull these little borders. You might work with a corner. You can see the corner moves everything around, but when you're satisfied, and it usually does a good job on the first try, so I don't normally have to change anything. Then you hit continue because you probably have more pages. So I'm going to uncover my second page here. And same thing, I'm just going to hit a photograph of it. And if it's blurry, you want to hit the retake button and so forth. But otherwise, you just say continue. And this will go to 2 pages now. Okay? And I'll uncover my last page. There might be, you might have 12 pages, but you just keep going till you get all your pages in. And I'm going to take another picture here. I have to back up a little bit, which is why I put my phone off camera there. So anyway, I get a decent looking picture here, and I say continue. And we're going to assume that this third page is my last page. So now I just touch this to tell the app that I'm done with that. And it pops up with the following menu. I have to adjust this so you can see it better. Okay, it's got this title up here. Well, first of all, you want to review. So I'm going to take this first page, and I'm going to look it over and make sure it's clear. And then I've got a problem on this one. It's sideways. So I'm going to hit the rotate button down here. And you may have to hit it. In this case, I have to hit it 3 times to get it to orientate the proper direction. And here's the last page, and it says page 3 of 3. Now you want to rename it here something that makes sense. If you just leave it the default name, which a lot of lazy students do, you'll send in, there might be 50 students sending in stuff, and they all have the same title. It makes it very difficult for your teacher, and they'll get grumpy on you. Okay, so I hit the X to clear out the old name, and sorry, this is not showing very well. Let me see if I can do a little better here. There we go. Anyway, so I X'd out the old name. It just had a default one, and I'm going to call this, homework number 3 from Peterson, or whatever your own name is. And your teacher should give you, your instructor should give you the guidance on how to name these. And if not, then I suppose they don't care. Okay, now I'm going to hit rename, and so that name is now applied to that. And once I'm satisfied that all the pages look good, they're in order, I'm going to say save it as a PDF file up there in the corner, and it'll take a little time to do this. Okay, once that's happened, and it's actually taken, the document has been created, but it's putting it out there in the cloud for me so I don't lose it. But I'll hit share. And down at the bottom, it says share a copy. And now a bunch of my apps pop up. So I'm going to find the Schoology app. You can see the S with the blue circle around it. And once that's happened, Schoology takes over and it says, what do you want to do here? And we want to submit this assignment. So once that's done, it's going to take us to a screen that allows us to post this, but we have to choose where to post it to. So I'll click on post to, and here's my classes. I'm going to post it to Miss Erin's class because I'm pretending I'm her student for this demonstration. And then it gives me a second line, and it wants more information. So I'll say post to, and here's the assignments that I can choose. This one I'm going to post it to this radical review. And once I'm satisfied that I've got the right destination there, all I have to do is send it by hitting the little blue paper airplane up there. So I'll hit that, and it's done. And that's how you upload an assignment to Schoology from a smartphone. So don't make the phone smarter than you. You can do this and do a good job with it. You shouldn't be sending photos like JPEGs or TIF files or links to a Dropbox or any of that stuff. It's pretty tough for teachers on the other end if they don't get these PDF files. All right, so have a good one, and I hope this little demonstration really helps you.